person Paul Giamatti's last visit.
Yeah, you're gonna want to get.
Well, Gordo, good thing we woke up here. Otherwise, we would have missed this.
You said it, Angus. Local buck-tooth Lester Picklesack strike out former Cleveland high school baseball legend and current non-union cable installer Cleveland Brown.
Okay, guys. It is me, Frost3454. Long view. Hopefully you guys can see me in the camera lens. But I just did a 4-round shooting test for my my sister gave me this gun back. The Pulse R7. I forgot the Stinger 36 or 39. Yeah, Stinger 39. I created a first-person shooter site, which will be, this will be on this gun, on my M40 when I get it, and my M4 whenever I do a Airsoft war. But it is taped on this gun right now because this was the easiest way to figure out. Alright. Okay. I was watching the Cleveland show. It's right there. But yeah, you see, it's a good camera site. I duct taped it on. I don't have it going over the screen or anything, so I can actually still aim. But I have to tilt my head a little bit over the camera just to get the shooting. This is a 380 round magazine, and I will be bringing you some Airsoft wars. Hopefully they don't shoot at my camera. This is my iPod that I tape with. Alright, so see you guys.